Hey y'all, went to the local Latin market and got a couple of fruits and varieties of fruits I hadn't tried before. Today will be the first video. Got a Jocote fruit, and this is a Mexican guava. I actually couldn't, I tried getting the sticker off, so I'm just gonna cut the sticker off. But I'm gonna try each of these, and if I like them, or even if I don't like them, but it looks like the seeds are something easily savable. But yeah, this should have some pretty easily savable seeds. I'll try my hand at germinating some. So start with the Mexican guava. Let's see how it tastes. Very seedy, and the seeds are very hard. So I would say it has a mild guava flavor with very hard seeds, which kind of reminds me of getting a big seed in a blackberry, but bigger and harder. So, you know, it's very smooth and creamy, almost a pear-like flavor. It's pretty good. Not the best guava I've had, but two of these was also 79 cents, so. Okay, and this is a Jocote, aka Spondias mombina. I believe Hog Plum is another name. Should be a pit in here, if I understand correctly, and it feels like it. Mild and sweet. A little bit of a tang. Mostly pit. The skin isn't bad. I'm gonna try just this piece of skin. Kind of grape-like. Maybe grape with a slight tang to it. Yeah, you can see the ratio of the size of the fruit to the size of the pit. It's mostly pit. Not a lot of flesh there. I don't dislike it, but I believe the phrase would be, is the juice worth the squeeze? And for that one, I say no. The guava. I'll just take some seeds out first. I think that's the trick with these. Quarter it, take the seeds out, and then you've got yeah, that's the way to go with that. All right, thank you all for watching. go ahead, hit like, hit subscribe, hit that little bell for notifications. I'll show you more videos like this. You might see this on 2 different channels, but we'll see. All right, thank y'all. Hit the bell, hit like, do the internet video thing.